Hey, to set up face recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, all you have to do is just open the settings and now simply scroll down and enter for the security and the privacy. From this, we'll have to go into the biometrics and we have to select face recognition. Now we'll have to click continue. From here we can set the secure screen lock. So what does it mean? That we have to get this simple screen lock like PIN, password or pattern. So if you didn't create it, just click next and now pick one of the following lock method. In my case, I'm gonna select simple pattern. We have to input it for the first and the second time. Then we have to click confirm. Next, we have to put our face just right here into this frame and move it to the left side, to the right side, up and down, and simply follow on-screen instructions. After this, the face recognition will be turned on and you will be able to unlock your phone with this feature. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.